If navbar is not showing on lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy A37, first of all, we can open settings. Now, over here in settings, we're going to proceed to notifications. And then in here in notifications, we can begin by going to lock screen. You want to make sure that lock screen notifications are enabled. The style itself doesn't really matter, but what matters is that, of course, lock screen notifications are supposed to be enabled. This should allow you to see navbar on the lock screen, but there is also a chance that you do have the navbar, but you cannot really interact with apps that are manageable on the navbar, or they are supposed to be manageable. Like, for example, you have like a voice recording running in the background, or maybe the clock app's running, and etc., like a timer or something. Of course, you should be able to manage these things on the navbar, but it might be possible that it is not available. So in that case, you need to check the content of lock screen notifications. So if the content of lock screen notifications is hidden, then these apps might not be manageable. You might not be able to, for example, pause something, to stop something, renew, etc., or just control in general. So you want to make sure that the content is shown, or at least shown for these apps that have live notifications, or apps that are working with navbar. So in that case, if you want to keep your notifications or the content hidden of these notifications, and you want to show it only for those specific apps, then you can go to app notifications. Over here, you can choose an app, and then here we have show or hide content when locked. So in that case, you want to make sure that it is shown depending on the default option, or you can just simply choose show always. Also here we can see we have live notifications. So if you have that option, you want to make sure that it is enabled to ensure that the selected app can be displayed on the navbar. Also, besides that, what you can do is we can go back to settings and proceed to lock screen and AOD. And then here we have the navbar option. So you want to make sure that apps are enabled in here, or live notifications of these specific apps are enabled. We can see some additional options in here, but live notifications are in this section at the top. You can tap on see all in order to check the list of these apps over here. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.